Claude AI wrote every work email I sent last week. My boss noticed nothing. Claude is a free AI writing tool. Think of it like a really smart friend who's always available and never judges your rough drafts. I went to Claude.ai, made a free account, and started pasting in my email situations. Not the emails themselves, the situations, like, I need to tell my client the project is delayed 2 weeks, but keep them calm and still trusting me. That's it. Claude would spit out a draft in about 4 seconds. The first few, I'll be honest, felt too formal, a little stiff, so I'd just write back, make it sound more like me, casual but professional. And it would adjust, immediately. That back and forth thing, that's where the real magic is. It's not one prompt and done. It's a conversation, which honestly took me a minute to realize. And if that's the kind of thing you want more of, Stack Future drops one of these every day. Anyway, once I got that, everything clicked. The biggest thing wasn't the time I saved. It was the stress I didn't feel. Normally, I rewrite a tricky email 4 or 5 times in my head before I even open my laptop. That whole mental spiral, Claude just cuts it. I described the awkward situation, got a solid draft, tweaked 2 sentences, and sent it. One email was a really uncomfortable feedback message to a contractor. I typed out the context, added, be direct but kind, I want to keep the relationship, and Claude handed me something I genuinely couldn't have written better myself. Probably worse, if I'm being real. The AI email writer part isn't the point. The point is it removes the part of writing emails that actually cost you energy. The starting, the second guessing, the rereading it 12 times, wondering if you sound passive-aggressive. Honestly, the tool doesn't write your emails. It gets you out of your own way. That's the thing worth remembering. You still make every call. Claude just handles the blank page. Next video, I'm getting into how to use AI for meeting prep, which is somehow even more useful than this. If this helped, tap the like. It genuinely helps more people find it.